Everyone is different and has their own individual strengths and weaknesses. Reminding yourself of this can be a good way to improve your self-confidence. Enjoy the differences. It's important to find the fun in the things that make you different from everyone else. You shouldn't compare yourself to others in a negative way by becoming envious of what they do or do not have, but should instead appreciate the ways in which you balance each other. While you may excel at one thing, the other person may lack the skill to perform that task. You'll also find that the opposite is true as well. By looking at the positive side of having differences between all people, you can begin to enjoy what it is that makes you unique. Discover your qualities. Once you've begun to appreciate the differences between you and others, you should explore what it is that makes you who you are. Find what you excel in. Everyone is good at something, no matter who they are. To help yourself build self-confidence, you'll need to take time and find what it is that you're good at, especially the talents that you enjoy the most. A lot of people have obvious talents and tasks that they're good at. Consider the skills of drawing, playing an instrument, or excelling at a sport. These types of skills are easy to identify and may even be ones that directly impact your career and social circle. If you don't feel like you have any obvious talents that differentiate you from other people, don't worry. Many people have hidden talents that need to be carefully uncovered before they flourish. To identify the hidden talents that make you unique, consider what you do on a regular basis. What parts of the day are most enjoyable to you, and what are you doing during this time? These times could be when you're doing tasks that you excel at. Maybe you have to do certain calculations for your job or forecast for future orders. No matter what they may be, they're a part of what makes up your talents. Start small. Even if you're unable to identify any big talents that you set you aside from others, you can be sure that you have multiple small talents that not everyone else has. Discovering small talents about yourself is incredibly important. This can be anything from paying attention to small details in life, having the ability to wake up early without any problem, or even being able to manage your time well. Not everyone is capable of these things, so you have every reason to celebrate them, no matter how insignificant they may seem at first. Your talents and your self-confidence. Once you've picked out and created a list of what you're good at and what distinguishes you from others, you can appreciate who you are as a person. You'll be able to enjoy what makes up who you are and can finally see what makes you stand out. Appreciating yourself will make you more confident when talking to others, especially when you consider the different talents that they may also have. You'll also see the boost in self-confidence in other situations like an interview. You will surely be ready to answer the popular question, what are your strengths?